Hello everyone, welcome to Thai Food Delight. Today we're making spicy Thai shrimp salad. This dish is refreshing and full with many types of herbs. For today's recipe, I'm using 3 stalks lemongrass. Remove the stem and then peel off 2 to 3 layers of lemongrass. And then I'm gonna cut the lemongrass as thin as possible. And next, we're gonna remove the stem of the kaffir lime leaves. Stack the leaves up just like this and keep rolling. Cut the kaffir lime leaves into thinly strips. To add a little heat to this dish, I'm using 2 Thai chilies. You can also go for more if you like it spicy. Our spicy Thai shrimp salad is ready. Now it's time to serve. And there you have it, simple and tasty spicy Thai shrimp salad. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.